Hey guys, so today we're going to try out this new phone holder in my wife's car. It's a Lexus NX 2024 model, and we're going to see how well this phone holder works on her dash. And you can see her dash is a little bit odd shape. There's nowhere to put a phone mount traditionally because of this big screen, so there's no flat surface to put it on. But we're going to see if this phone mount works, so let's give it a shot. Today we're going to look at this car phone mount by Andery. And I think it might work well for some of the cars where the surface is not completely flat. It's a little curved or a little bit lumpy. I think if it's just a little bit, it'll be okay. Okay, so if you do have a really curved or really lumpy surface, what you can do is you could put on this adhesive right here and it'll give it a nice flat surface to be on. All right, this is if your phone case doesn't have a Magsafe on it, so you could put this on the back of your phone or the phone case itself, a little metal bar, and it'll allow it to stick. And it's got some cleaning wipes and this adhesive. So let's look at the main unit right here. Okay, so this is a magnetic mount, and you could put it two ways. You could make it stand up higher like that. Of course, you could put it over your car or something like that. But once you put this on the back of your phone, you see, it's gonna hold. It's gonna be easy on and easy off. So that's good. So you could put it like this also. Just find the way that works best for your car. All right. Let's see, there's a lock. Okay. So you could lock it into place. That's the way the suction works. See that? See how it's flat right now? You turn it and you can see the suction pulls on it. Okay, and I don't want to take off this protective film right now because that makes it a little sticky. So it's got this little sticky thing. So it's not just normal rubber suction, it's a sticky rubber suction. So that's why you want to keep that clean. All right, so let's try it out on the car. Okay, so there's a couple of places that I could put this. Like one, I could kind of put it behind my screen right there and just have my phone sit back behind there. I could have it right here and let's see, maybe have it sit like this with the phone right there, right center, which is also pretty convenient. Maybe right here also is another possibility. But you can see how it starts to go over the edge right there. So if I wanted to do it in a spot like this, I'd probably want to put, this adhesive right here first. You see, so that gives me a really flat surface. So I don't have to fight with that contour, that this is nice and flat. By the same token, I could also put it in any of these other places too, like that. Okay, so I think I'm going to like this spot the best of all the places. So let's clean up this surface and then give it a shot. All right, so we'll use those wipes. First we'll go with the wet wipe and then we'll go with the dry wipe. Okay, clean that surface. Dry wipe. Get all that dust off. This sticky thing seems pretty easy. We just put it on and then we just turn that whole thing to lock it. Okay, push it in. And this guy right here, we're just gonna turn and lock it. All right, you actually could feel the suction pull on that. Next, so this phone has the Magsafe on the cover, but again, if your phone doesn't have that, you could use their ring and just use the adhesive on it. But my phone case does have it. All right, I think that actually works out really well. So here's the phone. There's the way it looks. Okay, so it's just straight, very up front, right in front of me. And of course, yeah, I could still see the road, so that's not an issue. All right, cool. Let's see if I just want to get it out of the way. I could just bend it down. Or, yeah, I could, if I want, I could kind of keep it like that too, if I want to bend it down. Let's see. What if I want to extend it up a little bit higher? And I could go like that. Actually, that's good too, having it in this diagonal position, horizontal position. Yeah, actually, I think I like that better. Let's see if I just stick it out just a little bit more. Okay, cool. I think it looks good.